Hey guys, quick video today while I'm at work so you can see the difference between a 5th gen Rebel and the TRX. So you can see right here, height difference between the two. This is a stock Rebel and my TRX is lifted on the Foots leveling kit. So just a quick look at the back right there. I'll show you guys the front so you can see up front. See difference in height right there. We'll walk around to the side over here. Just want to give you guys a good representation real quick. Currently at a job right now, so this is my father-in-law's Rebel. He had a 4th gen just like I did and then upgraded to the 5th gen. So thought I'd make a quick video for you guys right here just so you can see. Stock TRX wheels, stock tires, stock Rebel tires. TRX suspension, stock Rebel suspension, but you can see the height difference right there. But yeah, just quick video guys. I need to get back to work, but just wanted to show you guys a quick comparison. I'll show you the inside if it's unlocked. Inside Rebel, see this is the black and red interior. Now if we go look at my TRX's interior, if you know me, this is the base model truck, so the interior's very, very similar. So yep, just thought I'd show you guys that.